Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to BubbleDB for data management step by step clearly. Visit the official BubbleDB website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. This usually includes your name, email address, and a password. Make sure to create a strong password for your account security. After filling in the details, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, log in to your BubbleDB account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Navigate to the subscription section or pricing page. Here, you will see different plans available for BubbleDB. Choose the plan that best fits your data management needs. Fill in your payment details as required. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Complete Purchase button. Your subscription will be activated shortly afterward. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Now you can start using BubbleDB for your data management needs. Make sure to explore available tutorials and documentation for assistance. Enjoy managing your data efficiently with BubbleDB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.